Today we're going to install the AC compressor replacement on this 2013 9 Gen Honda Civic Si. Just made a video removing the old AC compressor. Here it is. This is the brand new one. It already comes preloaded with 3 ounces of oil. All we have to do is just remove this bolt or this bolt and this nut from here, remove these covers and install it back into place. It does come with brand new O-rings here. Perfect. So let's get right to it. These will be 10 millimeter socket to remove, and we'll remove this one as well. Might need a deep socket for this one. All right, and there it is, and we'll remove these from here. And we could actually leave these in here until we install them. Up to you, or you could just remove them now. This is where the lines are going to go into. Next, what we're going to do is grab the AC compressor and drop it and bolt it down to its location, and just fish it in there. You could let it sit on the subframe there. You could try to mount it, or just wait till you're at the bottom of the vehicle, try to mount, and then put some bolts to hold it into place. All right, and now we will mount it into place. Might need both hands to do this here. This AC compressor is a tad heavy, so just take your time and then put a bolt. I'm gonna put a bolt on top just because it probably is the easiest to get to. All right, first bolt is into place. Second bolt, here we go. Oh, it's been a long day already. All right, and now it's time to put the bottom bolts into place. Oh man, maybe we should have started off with the bottom bolts first. All right, I removed this upper corner one and see if that gives us leverage to put in our bolts down at the bottom. I got one. Let's see if it's enough for the other one. If not, don't do as I did, start from the bottom. All right, so I had to remove the top bolts completely out to stick in the bottom bolts. So start with the bottom, work your way up. All right, and let's secure these down. We're going to be using a 12 millimeter socket to do the top ones. Then I'll be using a 12 millimeter speed ratchet to do the bottom ones because there's hardly any room. And we'll start off with the top ones first. Make sure they're nice and secured. Then we'll move on to the bottom ones. All right, we'll remove the old O-rings and replace it with some new ones. And I'm just using a pick here to remove these from here. And the kit came with replacement ones here. The small one will go for this one down here. And then we'll put this one into place right in here. Just like so. We'll put in the nut into place. And we'll secure this down with a 10 millimeter socket. And just make sure it's nice and secured. Perfect. And we'll replace the O-ring on the top as well, the same way. And here's the new one. We'll install this into place. Bring this down in here. Put in the bolts. Secure it down. Plug in the AC connector to the AC pump, just like so, till it clips all the way down. Next, we'll put on the belt into place. All right, belt's back into place. Next, what we're gonna do is just put this radiator support back into place. We'll put on the radiator fan. And bolt everything down. All right, that's back together. Bring this down. Set everything into place. How it needs to go. Put the horn back into place. This is a 12 millimeter socket to secure this down. And we'll put these bolts here, here, back here, and the same thing on this side here. All right, and there it is. And this actually was broken off from here, so that's why I was able to remove this. Not too sure if it'll be easy enough for you, but removing this made it easier because there are brackets underneath that are kind of getting in the way. There is a Allen wrench here that goes here. There's one more of these. All right, and there it is. This was a size 5. Yeah, size 5 Allen wrench. And there it is. Everything is nice and set. Everything is good. We got to connect our radiator fan. And there we have it. Everything is done. Sweet. We just got to take this to the AC shop, get that system recharged, and it should be good to go. And that is how you install the brand new AC compressor on this 9th gen Honda Civic Si. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Woo-wee. The AC is working hella good now. Just picked it up from the AC shop. All they had to do was just vacuum it out and recharge the system. And holy smokes, it's blowing cold. It's blowing hella cold. Now I am confident to do mine. Hey, these cars are my guinea pigs. It fucking works. Oh man, it's blowing hella cold. Shit, yeah. I like it. I hope I give you guys a solution on how to fix it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.